Hey guys, Businessman here at Samsung Vlogs, and welcome to another unboxing. This is the Apple TV Unboxed. So sit back, grab a snack, grab a drink, kick your feet up, most importantly, have fun, like, comment, subscribe down below, hit that bell notification to keep up to date with everything here on Samsung Vlogs. Of course, in the description there's Simpson Players, simpsonplayers.com, our website, and of course TikTok, Instagram, Rizzle, and Twitter, all filled with faces to continue to enjoy more content from me. Also, there is still the Pokemon cards giveaway, 6 links, 6 videos, and 6 possible entries for you into the prize draw, where there are 9 epic prizes for you to win. So, the Apple TV. It came today. This is what you get. This is the big box, and they've done a nice British touch. They've included what you can access on the back. Streaming is the big thing. So obviously it's got Apple TV Plus, standard, Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, YouTube, and British BBC iPlayer. So I'm assuming whatever country you're in, it's not going to include iPlayer. So this is a nice touch for all us lot in England and the UK. Obviously, it tells you about AirPlay, and you can share from your iPhone, iPad, and I think your Mac to this device, and stream your videos from whatever you're watching on your phone or iPad to the TV. And you can even connect your AirPods to it for a personalized audio experience. Ooh. So this is the 4K version that I've got here, and it is the 32 gig one, not the 64. No need for that. I'm not going to be playing games. I'm going to be strictly streaming and watching videos. No need to break the bank more than I already have. So yeah, let's unbox it then and see what the 4K HDR version is all about. Right, let's see what we got inside then. Oh, slowly. Come on. There we go. So, the chunky Apple TV, it used to be around half the size, but with new technology in the A12 Bionic chip, it's got bigger. The new style remote, this remote has changed, I think, 4 times over the years, and this one is the newest remote that they've actually ever brought out. Let's get that off. See it nice right there. Looking nice and pretty like. Ooh, got a little microphone on the side now for Siri. What else we got in here then? What's underneath all this? Oh, what? Where's the plug? Okay, so that's how you get that out. Oh, right, okay. Interesting. I feel like I'm gonna rip this. Okay, so it's got the standard dual plug that all the Apple TVs have ever had. I thought I saw something sticking out the back of it. Where is it? Hold on. Maybe not. Is there anything else we got in here? There's something underneath. Oh. Aha. You get a iPhone charger? What? Why? What? Is this? You charge the remote? Ah, you charge the remote with it. Look. I didn't even know you have to charge the remotes. I've never ever charged an Apple TV remote. It never ran out of charge. You get nice Apple stickers and the usual legal and technical spiel. Is there anything else? No. I think that's about covers it. So, this, once we move all the wires out of the way, this is the Apple TV then. It looks nice, looking pretty, looking pristine. I do like the design of the new remote. TV is the same as it has been for the last 2 or 3 editions. Not quite sure, but this is the 4K edition and the newest remote. Like I said, it is running a 12 Bionic chip set. So it should be pretty fast, it should be pretty nippy. And obviously we're going to be trying this out soon enough. So guys, special thanks to my beautiful girlfriend for filming the above footage. It's the first time I've ever done anything like that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that little overview, cinematic view of me opening up something for once. So make sure to hit that bell notification and like, comment, subscribe down below if you did. So comment if you are willing to get, or have got it, obviously it's been out for a while now, the new Apple TV. And what your experience with it are. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it better than the last one? Is it not worth the upgrade? For me, I had the last Apple TV ever made before they went to this chunky size. So for me, it's definitely worth the upgrade. And obviously it's 4K, so even better. For a new remote, it's going to be a big change for me because I'm used to the one before this, because my dad had one of these chunky ones. I think he had the first ever chunky one that they brought out. So this remote is completely different, and it's more non-different to other remotes. You know, this is more like a standard remote you're used to with anything. It reminds me of a basic remote. It's not extravagant or anything different or out the box like Apple's last remote was. It kind of reminds me of I don't know, some sort of keypad in some sort of sci-fi movie that you'd stick into a ship or open up something with, you know? It's so square and aluminium. It's really smooth. Oh, it's got a bit of a curved bump at the back here. Huh. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Obviously, it's a short one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, like I've said about 3 times now. And hit the bell notification to keep up to date with everything here on Simpson Vlogs. That includes more unboxings, Life of Ben videos, explains, what ifs, and of course, Pokemon cards. Speaking of Pokemon cards, the giveaway is, of course, still on. Links down in the description to all those videos where all you gotta do is enter your Instagram name to be entered into the prize draw. A lot of people have been asking how long is the prize draw going on for. It's going to be around, what, from now on, it's about 6 or 7 weeks still. It's just to get, it's my first prize draw, obviously, and I just want to get most people in there engaged with it all as possible. So don't worry, your entries have been registered. It's just going to be a bit before the draw. You will get your cards if you win. Obviously, there is TikTok, Instagram, Rizzle, and Twitter link down below. Check them out. You will face to enjoy more short form content from me, and of course, Simpson Plays, my main gaming channel. Until next time, guys. This is bye from me, but this was the Apple TV Unboxed. Peace.